learning to see. And this will probably have the biggest impact. Artists and designers, we're a little more curious. And I think this is what it's all about. You have to rediscover this inner child. Little kids ask a lot of questions and ask yourself, oh, how does this work? Or how was that done? And why is that? Why is that? And I think you can go out into the world and rediscover everything around you. And I love this one quote. You can either look at the world as if nothing is a miracle or as if everything is a miracle. When I'm out on the street, let's say, I take pictures of everything I like. And it's the same when I'm working at my PC. You know, when I see something or when I see an artwork or something in the browser, I don't know, I just save it. I use this program called PureRef. The cool thing is you have everything in one space. So you can curate your own inspiration mood board. When I go into ZBrush, for example, oftentimes I just open PureRef and sometimes I don't even look at the mood board, but it's there. It just puts me, in this kind of comfort zone of just getting started.